Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify with Easy CSV to get new products into your Shopify store repeatedly. So let's say I have a Shopify store that sells gym equipment. You see I have one product here for dumbbells, but let's say our supplier sent us a list of 3 new products and we just want to import them quickly, and they do this every week. Or um, I like to write all my product descriptions and all the details in a spreadsheet first, then I like to just import them quickly into Shopify instead of doing it in the Shopify admin. So I'm going to use Easy CSV. So, you can set up an import page for each type of CSV or spreadsheet you want to upkeep. So maybe you have 5 suppliers, you could have 5 import pages. You just drag and drop the spreadsheet they give you. You don't have to edit the spreadsheets anymore. So you can either type the column names manually, but what I like to do is just drag an example file. So here we have one. Let's say our supplier sent us this file where we have 3 products. It's like product name is the title of the first column, product type, the dealer's Rogue Fitness. We have all this stuff that they sent us, including public image URLs, SEO titles, SEO description. We just want to import this every week. So to set up the page, you just drag your example here. It pulls all the column titles. We're going to call it like Rogue Equipment Import. So then we click next, and it makes a page. So this page has a URL you can send out to anyone. Maybe you have a personal assistant or someone on your team, or you can just keep it for yourself. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to send each time I drag a new spreadsheet here, all the data, I want to send it to Shopify. So you can click send to Shopify. Now there's one more step. We have to say, okay, what fields in the CSV go to what fields in Shopify. So here's the Shopify field, the title of the product. So in the CSV or the spreadsheet, that column is called product name. So we'll map that. Product type's the same in that file. Instead of vendor, they said dealer, right? We have product description. And you can map as many of these as you want. You do not have to map every single one of them. This spreadsheet just has every single one because it's an example. We can skip that. Let's say we want to make sure images get imported. Let's make sure you can have a column if it's published. So you could say it's not published, and then you can kind of edit it. You can like double check that it's okay. So let's just map all these. We'll leave all the other ones blank just for this example. So now we're ready. Now we can just start importing. So you'll see here that it only has one product. So let's use that same file, and we'll drag and drop it. You'll see there'll be 3 records in that file, so we'll import. So at this point, the import starts up, and then the Shopify API starts responding. So if you have relatively large images, might take a little bit, but when it's done, it sends you an email like this. So you don't actually have to wait on the page. And then when you go in your store, you have to refresh in Shopify to see the products. You'll see that it made all the products. This one didn't have any inventory because that was not set in the CSV, but you'll see everything is set that you wanted to set from the CSV. Right, description, title. This one had 2 images, price. It makes 1 variant. If you want more than 1 variant, please email support@easycsv.io. We can help you do that. It's a little slower because the Shopify API is not made for speed, but we'd be happy to help set that up for you if you have a lot of variants for products. And it's that easy. So next week, if Rogue sends us another file of 3 more products, we just drag and drop. We don't even have to edit the file. Or if I write 3 new products in a spreadsheet in the same format, I can just search for it here in Google Sheets if I'm using that, or I can just drag and drop it here. Just speeds you up a lot. Thank you.